This asbestos home test kit offers a straightforward way for homeowners to collect a single suspect material sample and have it professionally analyzed by a certified laboratory. The package conveniently includes the sampling materials, laboratory analysis, and prepaid ground return shipping, so there are no surprise add-on laboratory costs later. Turnaround is clearly defined in business days from the moment the laboratory receives your sample, making it easier to plan renovation or remediation work safely. The laboratory uses established polarized light microscopy methods for bulk asbestos screening, providing a reliable first-line assessment for many common building materials. An important advantage of this kit is the access to expert consultation, which helps non-specialists understand the report and decide on appropriate next steps. The kit is especially useful for older homes where materials like insulation, floor tiles, or ceiling textures may contain asbestos, giving peace of mind before disturbing any suspect areas.